Deep Amavasya, the festival of lights. Deep Puja, Puja means place of worship, is observed on the Amavasya, which is new moon day in Ashad month in Maharashtra and in some parts of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. It is observed to welcome the holy Shravan month by Hindu communities. It is known as Deep Amavasya. Deep Amavasya means Ashad Amavasya. The Shravan month begins after this day. Shravan is characterized by abundant rain and darkness. On this day, the lamp placed here and there in the house, dusty lamps, Samaya, Niranjane, Laman Dive, which are traditional names of lamp. All are put together, rub them and thoroughly clean them. On this day, all the lamps should be lit and placed on the plate. Draw a beautiful rangoli around the pot. Decorate the flowers. Put oil in all the lamps and light it. Make diya of wheat flour. Wet clay lamps are also made and offered in worship. All these should be worshipped with turmeric, kumkum, flowers and akshata. You can see various types of wheat flour diya in this image. This diya is specially lit on this auspicious day. It is believed that the worship of diya will give knowledge and will help in seeking the blessings of Ashtalakshmis. In different regions, Deep Puja is offered for different reasons. Some people offer it to welcome the Shravan month, which is a holy month, and numerous rituals and vrats are offered during the month. Another unique observance on Ashad Amavasya in Maharashtra is the Gatahari Amavasya. Ashad Amavasya is also chosen for performing rites dedicated to dead ancestors and relatives like Tarpan and Shraddha in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. The other important rituals observed on this day are Adi Amavasya in Tamil Nadu, Diwaso in Gujarat, Karkidaka Vavu Bali in Kerala, Hariyali Amavasya in North India, Gatahari Amavasya in Maharashtra, Bhimana Amavasya in Karnataka, Chitlagi Amavasya in Odisha. At this time, pray to the lamp with the following mantra. Deepa Suryagni Rupat Stavam Tejasa Tej Uttamamam Gruhanam Matkrutam Puja Sarva Kama Prado Bhavaha. Meaning of this mantra: O Deep means light. You are the form of the sun and the form of fire. You are the best radiance. Accept my worship and fulfill all my desires. Light lamp is very important in our culture. Prana is also called Pranajot. Our culture says that we should worship them by lighting lamps to spread the light of knowledge, by avoiding negativity in the house, removing ignorance and diseases. Lighting of the lamp is very important part of any puja or inauguration of an event. Shubham Karoti Kalyanam shlok is dedicated to the lamp. This shlok is recited while lighting the lamp at dusk, the time when the light of day is fading and the darkness of night is about to surround us. Shubham Karoti Kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampada Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyoti Namostute. Meaning of this shlok: I pay my salutation means namaskar to the light lamp which brings auspiciousness prosperity, good health, abundance of money and wealth, and the destruction of the intellect's enemy. This shlok is recited while lighting the lamp. Light is considered a symbol of auspiciousness, prosperity, and abundance in many cultures. Lighting a lamp in the puja room twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, is a common ritual of Hindu tradition. It is believed that lighting lamp is the symbol of knowledge. It drives away the darkness of ignorance from the mind and illuminates it with the knowledge. We salute to such a knowledge which brings bliss and prosperity to our lives. A lamp can be used for lighting several other lamps, causing several fold increase in the light in the room without losing its strength. Thus, once the light drives away the darkness, it is possible to see things clearly. May light of lamp illuminates our lives with wisdom and knowledge and bring prosperity and new beginning with lots of love and blessings. Wish you all a very happy Deep Amavasya.